welcome to my YouTube channel IQ Test. Here I have brought few questions for you all. Hope you will like it. So before starting, I request you to like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for further notifications. So friends, during this lockdown, most of you have become bored and tired at home, isn't it? So here are a few questions. I hope it will be helpful in passing your time. And friends, I must say it's very interesting. You can test your knowledge, it improves your thinking skill and also improves knowledge regarding various things. So friends, there are 5 questions altogether. I will show you one by one as you see in the screen. You need to think and answer in a comment box. Okay, so first you see the question, try to understand and think for the answer. You can take your time, no problem. You can give answer in comment box. Okay, so this way you can pass your time. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and you can like and share with your friends. So friends, let us start. The first question for you all is, as you can see in the screen, question number 1, that is the most valuable thing in the world that has 3 hands. I repeat question once more, the most valuable thing in the world that has 3 hands. So you need to answer in a single word. The answer will be in a single word. Okay, so you have to answer in the comment box. And the answer will be in a single word, and that is the name of something. Okay, there is a special thing which has 3 hands and it is the most valuable thing of the world. Okay, the next question for you, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is, it looks to everyone from one place but it cannot move or walk. I repeat once, it looks to everyone from one place but it cannot move or walk. So there is a thing. Okay, the thing, it is a very thing which moves, which cannot move or walk, but it can look to everyone from one place. So you have to name it. What is that thing? Okay, so you think and answer. So the next question is question number 3. As you can see in the screen, question number 3, it is, it sleeps every time but becomes active when it rains and in sunny days. I repeat once, it sleeps every time but becomes active when it rains and in sunny days. So what is that that very thing? What is that thing which sleeps every time but it wakes up, or it doesn't sleep when it rains and in sunny days? So think and answer in comment box. Okay, so the next question is question number 4. This question says a place where we can find our twins. So what or where is the place where we can find our twins, our own twins? So I repeat once, a place where we can find our twins. So you have to name the place where we find our twins. Okay, so think and you can answer in comment box. Now the last question, as you see in the screen, the question is, a thing which sleeps during day but wakes up at night. I repeat once, a thing which sleeps during day but wakes up at night. So what is that thing? Okay, which sleeps during daytime but wakes up at night. So you have to think and answer. So friends, I already told you about 5 questions. So I hope you will enjoy. So take your time, you think for the answer and write your answer in a comment box. Okay, so lastly, I request you to subscribe my channel, like this video, and you can share with your friends. Thank you.